Good morning. So, in last week, the Nifty continued its positive run towards 6,000, and in last trading session, that is of Thursday, it in fact also crossed 6,000, and it was all throughout the day, almost the entire day, it was above 6,000. But just to end at 6,000 at the end of the day. This was all in the anticipation or expectation that today, in today's monetary policy meet, RBI will cut interest rate, the repo rate by at least 25 basis point and max by 50 basis point. In RBI yesterday came out with a monetary policy document in which it has clearly mentioned that the scope for major monetary policy is limited. So our in-house view says that we don't expect a 50 basis point cut in today's meet, but we are expecting a 25 basis point cut in repo rate and reverse repo rate. Maybe there can be a surprise from the CRR side where we can even see a 50 basis point cut in the CRR too. So market at least in morning half will be trying to incorporate all these things into its price. But my apprehension is that if there is no cut in today's monetary policy, Nifty can easily correct by 100 points from here on. So it can easily slide below 5,900. So that's all for that's it for today's RBI policy meet. We will keep a watch on it and we'll also update you on that. Also, it's not about domestic side. In fact, yesterday we saw on the international side also ECB cut its key policy rate from 0.75% to 0.5%. So that was actually a cut of 0.25%. On the US side, US jobless claim reduced, and so that's why the market was almost a quarter percent or to 1% up yesterday. Asia has opened mixed, and India would also be in the morning, at least pre monetary policy meet, will be trading in range bound with a slightly positive bias. But if and then maybe the market will take its turn or based on the monetary policy outcome. Today we have some important results, and the two important results from that side is ACC and Ambuja Cement. On the ACC side, we are expecting it to deliver a profit of 318 crore, which is year-on-year 105% jump. On Ambuja Cement side, we are expecting a 397 crore profit with a 27% jump year-on-year. Today, as I said, that we expect the market to be range bound. So there are three scenarios developing. One is if RBI cuts repo rate by 50 basis point. So for 50 basis point, we can see market ending on a positive note. Maybe another 50, 75 points in the next week we can cover, or we can go above 6,000 by 70, 80 points. If it cuts repo rate or the key policy rates by 25 basis points. So I feel that market will be a range bound or maybe for the next week, because all that thing is already factored in the price. So I don't see a up move from here if the price is the policy rates are cut only by 25 basis points. But if the policy rates are not cut, okay, so in that case, seriously there can be a worry, because the market has anticipated at least a 25 basis point cut into and have actually adjusted its price accordingly. And if there is no cut, then we can seriously see at least 100 and 150 points slide from 6,000. So that's all for today. We'll keep a watch on today's important RBI monetary policy meet and update you regarding it through SMS. and then we'll catch you on Monday to maybe with the analyzed version of today's RBI policy. Thank you.